Last time on Total Boat Island, we met our contestants. After my enemy went down a cliff and let's say it ended up very strippingly. What would happen in this episode? Who will win? What's gonna happen? Maybe even Houseboat will pop up for one time. I don't know, because I didn't write this show, but you'll figure out today on Total Boat Island Life. Let's get started, everybody, on Total Boat Island. Welcome to Total Boat Island Life. Total Boat Island Life. So what are we doing? I don't know. I'm on a rope. Who did you do this? If you felt we're doing this, then wrong, Zoe. Okay, I'm glad that you took me off of that death trap, or else it may have ended really bad. Oh, originally I was gonna kill you. So, bing. Houseboat. Hi, I'm still alive. The next day. I'm so happy to be here with all my friends. Tune on. Total Boat Island Life. Total Boat Island Life. Total Boat Island Life. Another season, new episode next month on Fliptoon. See you there.